Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Jakia Sultana from Tajul Islam Adarsh College, Brahmanbaria. Like my last class, today I am also going to take another interesting grammatical rule or structure which is very important for different grammatical topics. My today's topic is so plus adjective or adverb plus that. Let's discuss the topic from my handout. Okay. So plus adjective or adverb plus that. Behold the example. We can make any sentence by using these kinds of structure. Like, he is so weak that he cannot walk. Look at the example. He is so weak that he cannot walk. The second part of the sentence is negative. We used cannot. Okay. The second example. It was so ugly that we could not describe it. In this sentence, these parts also in negative. Okay. That means if we make any sentence by using structure of so plus adjective or adverb plus that, the second part of the sentence will be always negative. Okay, but the sentence if we use negative, whether we use can or could, that will be depend on the verb of the first part. If the verb of the first part will be in present indefinite tense, then we can use cannot. But if the verb of the first part will be in past indefinite tense, then we have to use could not. But the second part of the sentence will be always negative. Okay. Now, see how we will use it in right forms of verb. Example 1. The girl is so lovely that we forget her. The girl is so lovely that we forget her. This is the structure of a sentence that is constructed by using so plus adjective plus that. It is adverb, not adjective. So plus adjective plus that. So the second part of the sentence will be negative, and that kinds of negative sentence will be constructed by using cannot or could not. So what verb we will use? The first verb is present indefinite tense, so we will use cannot in the second part of the sentence, and that will be right forms of verb. That means the right forms of verb will be cannot, forget. Okay. Another example. The boy was so small that he not chop wood. Here, not is in the bracket. So, though as there is not in the bracket, we have to obviously make it negative, and if not, even then we have to make it negative, because the structure, according to the structure, the second part of the sentence will be negative, but there is a not, so we have to this is more easy for us. But what we will use, cannot or could not, that is depends on our first verb. If this is present, we use cannot, and if this is past, we use could not. So it is was is past, so you can use could not chop it. Could not chop. Okay. Now come to the completing sentence. How we will use this structure in completing sentence. The tree is so tall that. The tree is so tall that we have to complete the other part of the sentence. We know that if we make any sentence using so plus adjective plus that, we have to write an clause that is negative, and we used to cannot or could not to make that negative clause. And if the first verb is present, we use negative we use cannot for make the negative clause, and if the first verb is past, we will use could not to make the negative clause. And this is the present verb of the present indefinite tense. So I write another clause for completing the sentence, that is I cannot climb it. And in completing sentence, you have to always emphasis to the context. You have to write the part according to the context. Okay. The second example, the box was so heavy that. So plus adjective plus that. So I am completing the sentence using the clause he could not lift it. Okay. This structure will be also used in changing sentence. We can make a simple sentence to complex using this structure. What kind of simple sentence? If we have any simple sentence by using to plus adjective plus infinitive, to plus adjective plus infinitive, then that kinds of simple sentence will be transformed into complex sentence by using so that. He is too weak to walk. To walk is an infinitive, and these kinds of sentence will be changed into complex by using so that. Look, he is so weak that he cannot walk. Okay. Another example. The poem was too difficult to remember. What is the structure? Subject plus verb plus to plus adjective plus infinitive, and this sentence will be changed into complex by using so plus adjective plus that. That is, the poem was so difficult that we could not remember it. Okay, so that's all, viewers. No more today. Soon I will come with my next class. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.